I am super excited about today. Guys, the Evo 3 is a car that's near and dear to my heart, but obviously a lot of you guys' hearts. I love this car. We're finally putting wheels on it. And I just want to let you guys know, I mean, obviously I love it. I'm wearing a hoodie with the car on it. I spent a lot of time thinking about what exactly I wanted. I custom made this wheel, and I sat there and I was like, what wheel could be perfect on this? I mean, this car has so much history in rally and in racing. Its veins, its blood is in motorsport. I really wanted to make something that was super era correct and unique for the car, but something that's not unique enough to not fit. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. Before I show you guys, I do want to give a special thank you to 3-Piece Wheels and Heritage Wheels. First off, they put up with my incredible pickiness in wheel design and wheel choice, wheel color, wheel finish, all that kind of stuff. And they always deliver an amazing product. So I want to say thank you to these guys. And I also just want to say, like, before I show you the design, check out these wheels. OZ Racing designed for a factory Evo 3. Like, this car has some heritage and just like the simple, like the simplistic OZ 5-spoke design. I wanted something that fit this sort of style, but with modern fitment, while being able to run a modern size tire. Here we are, boys. And it's super light. Look at that, dude. Heritage obviously offers a bunch of designs for wheels. They have a bunch of different faces to pick from. And this one seemed the most fitting. And honestly, it kind of reminds me of a Regamaster style wheel. Desmond Regamasters are super OG wheels that look super cool, but they were super limited in production. They were forged 1-piece wheels. These are CNC'd 3-piece wheels. As you can see though, what makes these wheels special is they look like a 1-piece. So I'll show you guys the wheel on the car. Look at that combo. The red lugs. I actually wanted black, but they sent me red, and it actually looks really good, so I don't really care. So it looks like 1-piece, right? You go behind the face, it's reverse hidden hardware mounted from the back. How badass is that? So these wheels not only look, I mean, like, they look amazing, dude. I also chose a gloss white face and a gloss white lip. That's gonna be so killer. So I got 2 15s. That's about as wide as you can go on this car. The Evo 4s, they gave you wider fenders from factory. The 3s were still really, really thin. You can't do any fender work to the front fenders on these. They're really unique. So you have to make sure you have good fitting wheels. So it's kind of weird. The fender actually goes in a little bit. It's a circle. It goes in and then it goes back up. You can't really do anything about that. These are just so badass and I'm so excited. Zorro is coming. We're gonna get tires mounted for these, and also the Lexus, the IS300, is getting tires today too. Kind of like moving a huge step today, not just in building this car finally. Oh my God, just look at that, just look at that. Oh. We're just making some big progress today. And here we are, boys. Zorro's a company that operates out of Kansas City, Dallas, and now Houston. So you can buy tires through them, and they deliver it to your house, and they can install it wherever you are. I love these guys. Yes, sir. So I had to get something, I was super picky about sizing, so I had to get something that was a 215/40. There's a lot of 215/45s out there, but it's just too big. A rolling diameter would be too big, so I had to get a Falcon Zenith. These are, I don't even think, RT60, something like that, but these are some grippy boys. And then these are just stuff I can burn out in the Lexus. Here we go. Oh, I'm so excited to see some meats mounted up on these things. Dude, look at those Schmeats. They're swifty. Those are nice. I love these guys. They always do a really good job. Obviously, I don't want my nice CNC 3-piece wheels to get scratched. I've had some bad experiences with tire shops before, and these guys always, like, if they're not already wrapped, they'll wrap it up and they'll wrap the lip, they'll take care of it. So I've always loved the quality Zorro does. I've got some custom wheels getting made for this, more heritage obviously, and we're gonna be running a 2021 Wumbo combo. I'm gonna actually have some suspension that's hiding over there. I gotta lower this thing and start the build this week. So I'm really stoked about that. And then Zorro is gonna be working with us for the gender reveal that's hopefully will be live ASAP. But we're gonna be using this car as the burnout car, and I'm super stoked about that. Damn! Looking at this direction. Yeah. Yeah.
That's sick. This is gonna look killer when it's done.
Yeah, man, I'm excited. Guys, it looks so good. Holy crap. Oh yeah. It's just a little bit pokey, but that fitment is nice. Maybe just a little bit of negative camber would help too, but god dang. Oh my god, bro. Well, my fender roller doesn't fit these fenders. He's too tiny, so I'm probably gonna have to just adjust the camber a little bit, and I'm getting a little bit more suspension components for this, but let's go ahead and set it down and see how she looks. Come on, come on, come on. I just wanna see it with the suspension flexed up, dude. So amped right now. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, it's definitely gonna rub a little bit in the back. I need to adjust the suspension, but wow, bro. It looks insane. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh, bro. Ooh, buddy. Yeah, it's tough. That's tough. So while they're doing the Lexus wheels, I went ahead and maxed out the rear camber arms, the rear lower control arms. You guys definitely need to invest in some toe plates if you don't have them, but I'm gonna go ahead and raise it back up, give it a little more toe out, and then drive it out, take her for a spin. We are done. Thanks to my new friends Bernardo and Anthony. They did a killer job, and I'm ready to get this thing a rip on the streets. I definitely want to see if it rubs or how badly it rubs. I'm awaiting more suspension components. I need some more aggressive lower control arms, some toe arms, and that kind of stuff. But I definitely just want to drive it. It's gonna be super grippy, super fun, and it looks super cool. It's so sick, dude. Oh my lord. Lordy. Listen, the dandelion yellow and white wheel combo is a sacred mix for Mitsubishi, and you don't mess with it. You gotta keep the white rims. Grippy, boys. Dude, this thing rides float like a Cadillac, baby. This thing is awesome. Ready? Oh, it's so grippy. Okay, I'm gonna hop out. I do want to see this thing. This is one of my favorite spots to drive to. Dude, this is exactly how I envisioned this car from the day I bought it. Like this is exactly to the T how I wanted this car to look. Amazing. I love the small profile on the tires. It's enough. Like, I mean, a 40 profile is plenty. These are 215s, so I mean, we're limited. You're very limited with grip on these cars. With a nice corner balance and the right suspension components, this car is gonna not only just like look amazing, it's gonna perform amazingly too. But man, this thing is just unreal, dude. Wheels and suspension literally just completely changed the look of a car entirely. I'm proud of myself on this one. Big shouts to Heritage Wheel. We worked a lot, and I mean, I did so much research on exactly how wheels fit on these because I wanted to keep this thing authentic, stock looking. I really couldn't have envisioned this looking any better. Y'all know what time it is. Time to whip out the phone, the Pajone, take some pics for the gram. I went to a new place, another cool place to take some pictures of the Evo, and my boy, or girl, over here, looking into my soul. What's up? Pull up, bro. Okay. Unreal, man. There's no angle of this car that's not sick, dude. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was really kind of like, man, I wish I would have like waited for the 4 or the 5 to be legal or whatever, but this car with wheels and tires that fit, one of the best looking old school Japanese cars ever. Boom! All right, let's go home. Later, Cal. Bye. Oh, it's looking at me again. looking at me again. Chill. All right, Victoria just got home with tacos, so we're gonna have to hurry up.
It looks so good.
You think so? This looks awesome, man. What a color, like the color combo is the best. The yellow and white is like just, it's just so classic Japanese. I'm happy. A big thanks to Heritage again. You guys should definitely check them out and look at just all of the different options they have. We've got a custom signature wheel coming for the, actually just got off the CNC, so I'm really excited. My signature wheel just came off the CNC. This is not my signature wheel. My signature wheel is gonna be super basic, super cool, but it's gonna be amazing because it's gonna be awesome. But love me some Heritage wheel. I'm also getting me some unique, like pretty one of one for these. After the body kit and stuff like that gets, we'll start that build this week too. With my daily advice today, I honestly want to just encourage you to not take advantage of what's going on in your life and understand that really your life is centered around your mood and your outlook. And so if you think your life is crap, it's probably because you just have a crappy attitude. Odds are your life is probably fine. Your job is probably fine. Your schedule is probably fine. Really the only thing that changes and really the only thing that actually affects your life is just your outlook. Purely your outlook. Truly challenge yourself to have a good attitude today and say, you know what? Monday doesn't suck. It's a good day to start the week on the right note, on the right foot. My job doesn't suck. Maybe like something happened yesterday or this or that, but like you have a job. You know, you can be grateful for that. You should be grateful for that. There's a lot of things to be grateful for, and no matter what part of life you're in, no matter what situation you're in, there's always a way to there's always a positive way to see things. And I want to encourage you guys to just do that today because that'll change your life so much. It'll change your life for the better. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll catch you later. Have a great day. Peace. Hey, I got 2 videos for you guys to watch. Make sure you watch them. Also, hit the notification button, turn on those notifications so you can see every video I make, and subscribe. For real, don't forget to subscribe. That's dumb if you don't.